Hey, in this video I'm doing hybrid braids on men. And I'm starting off with this section and I'm just parting it off. If it looks like I'm being harsh on my client's head, I am not. I promise you I am not. I just sped up the content so it doesn't go as slow as I was moving when I did this hairstyle. But yeah, you see I'm just parting off the section. And then I'm going to start using the braiding gel. I do want to say with the braiding gel that I used, I did not apply a whole lot. I generally don't apply a lot anyway. I just use it to clean up the parts, but you definitely don't want to use it when you are doing the row of twist because it can make your twists go straight and it can also make them not puffy and have a little volume and bounce to it. If you don't know what hybrid braids are, it is really, it's like box braids, except it's like a row of twists, then a row of box braids, then a row of twists, and a row of box braids. In this row, I'm going to be doing braids, and then the next row, twist. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I post. I also have a hybrid tutorial if you want to use extensions and not natural hair like this video. This doesn't always have to be on a man. It can be on a woman as well, or a kid, or anybody. This hairstyle is for anybody. But because I am doing it on a man, of course I'm going to list it as that. But you can do it with your natural hair. You can do it with extensions, and it's a really cute, trendy hairstyle. You literally get the best of both worlds, twist and braids. I did blow dry his hair. This hairstyle can last about 3 weeks for sure. You want to just keep a protective style in maximum 3.5 weeks, minimum 3 weeks, and then take him out. But he basically wears a durag at night, shower cap when he's bathing or showering. You can get your hair wet as long as you let it dry during the day. I wouldn't say get it wet, like taking a late night shower and then going to bed and putting a do-rag on. You can create mildew and all types of fungus with the moisture, so you want to make sure you don't do that. You also moisturize it weekly with a little mist of water and then oil his scalp, and that's pretty much how he maintains his hairstyle. And yeah. It took probably about an hour and a half from wash to blow dry to then styling. So this style doesn't take long at all. It didn't take long at all because of the size that he wanted for his braids and twist. If it was smaller, it probably would have took about 2 hours for smaller parts. But because he didn't want to take down many braids and many twists, this is the outcome of it. But if you had it decided to have it smaller, you can do that. It'll look way more fuller and a lot more braids, of course. As you can see now, I am on the twist row, and now you can see I am just using a little bit of braid gel, not a whole lot at all because it will really affect your twist. And now you're going to see me anchor down with a braid. I like to really have it nice and flat at the root and then go into a twist. I braid down probably like 3 or 4, maybe even 5 times. Then I split it evenly in half and then I start to twist. You want to detangle when you twist because you do not want to have like knots in the twist. When he takes it down, it'll be a hot mess if that was to happen. So you want to make sure it's detangled as you twist all the way down. At the end, I am going to secure all of his braids and twists with rubber bands so it doesn't come down. Because he has really fine, like loose curl in a sense. It's not a super tight curl, but it's not a super loose curl as well. So it's right in the middle. And that goes along with like his hair grade. He doesn't have a very thick grade of hair. This style, if you have thick hair, will look so much fuller, even in this size. I would recommend doing smaller parts if you have thick hair because it'll give it more volume. It'll look more popping, more polished. I did do a little mini video of him on Instagram. So if you go follow me on Instagram, Slay by Gemma, you'll see it in a live of me just demonstrating this idea to him in one of my lives. If you hear anything in the background, I am at the park right now. It's a beautiful day here in Michigan, so I decided to do this voiceover. So if you hear anything in the background of my voiceover, that's that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You see the finished outcome. It is nice and fresh. I did that. Y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you go check out the one with extensions, and peace and hair grease. Bye.